Hi everyone! I wanted to share something fascinating I learned recently about herbs. You know how magical herbs can be in the kitchen, adding a burst of flavor to our dishes. Well, did you know that they can actually grow in December in Pakistan? It may seem impossible, but believe it or not, herbs can thrive in the coldest season of the year in Pakistan. This is possible due to the country's diverse climate and the right conditions that allows certain herbs to grow despite the freezing temperatures. Some popular winter-growing herbs include basil, mint, chives, and rosemary. But why does it happen? Well, the winter season in Pakistan offers suitable conditions for the growth of herbs. The high temperatures during the day and the cool nights help the seeds germinate and the plants grow quickly. Additionally, the country's humid climate provides ample moisture, which is essential for the growth of many herbs. What you can do as a citizen of Pakistan or anyone living in a colder climate is to embrace the winter season and start gardening. Planting herbs in December can not only provide you with fresh herbs all year long, but also be a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. Plus, it's a great way to bring the outdoors in and make your living space a little greener. If you're interested in growing herbs, there are many resources available online and in books that can help you learn how to plant, maintain, and harvest your own herbs. So, gather your friends and family, grab a gardening kit, and start your herb garden in December. Trust me, the flavors will make your dishes that much more delicious.